In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Chart Zoom feature in ToolKit. First, I will open a tool with Trend Chart Control and try to log some data. As you can see, the graph is drawn on the window. Below chart area, you can see actual time span for data range. Default time span value could be changed by modifying trend chart properties. Data has been logged already, so let's stop the chart. In the upper part of the control, there are zoom buttons that we will use in today's tutorial. In button, allow to zoom in chart area. Out button, allow to zoom out or revert to previous zoom state if available. Full button, zoom the chart to the full extents of the chart data. Defaults button, zoom the chart to the settings defined in the properties. At this moment, our zoom is in default state with time span of 20 seconds. Now I will select full button to extend our data. As you can see, charts show now entire data that was logged. Time span is now showing length of entire data series. You may notice that zoom out button is now disabled because we display full data, and further zooming out is not allowed at this state. Now I will select zoom in button. As you can see, chart area was zoomed and time span is now shorter. Let's select zoom in button again. Our actual time span shows now only few seconds of data. Now I will use scroll bar below chart to pan to my desired position. I could revert to previous zoom state using zoom out button. Another way to perform zooming is to select chart area using rubber band zoom. Now I will select my desired area using mouse left button. As you can see, time span as well as vertical scale changed now to fit selected area. Selecting zoom out button will revert our zoom to previous status. Next option to zoom in is available using scroll bar below chart area. Now I will zoom in chart by selecting one of scroll cursor using left mouse button and move it to desired position. Zooming can be also performed using mouse wheel. For enabling zoom by mouse wheel, I move the mouse over the chart area. Turning the mouse wheel counterclockwise, zoom our chart in. Turning it clockwise, zoom chart out. There is also possible to zoom by drag vertical or horizontal axis. Now I will move mouse over the vertical axis and start drag operation. As you can see, vertical axis changed to fit our current chart area. The same operation is allowed for horizontal axis. This concludes the demo of using chart zoom feature. Thanks for watching.